As you know that today we are closing our centennial celebrations of Tato Raymond Mhlaba. We're here in Raymond Mhlaba to give back to people of Raymond Mhlaba. We committed ourselves when we started this program last year that we will reach out, and the only way to celebrate the life and times of all these struggling heroes and heroines here is to do what is good for our people, is to change people's lives. We are here to change people's lives. We are handing over this program. We're in this beautiful library here in Alice, named after Utata Stofile. We're connecting them here. They were born in this place and they grew up and they did everything for people of this area. So we're quite happy to see young people. As you would understand, since morning we were in Hilltown this morning doing the same program, handing over cyber labs to students, rebuilding that school, repackaging the content of that school, renovating the school. So generally we actually revitalizing that school to be what it used to be, the Hilltown. So we're looking at all these liberation routes, connecting them, the role that these people have played. Actually, I'm quite happy to see the partnership with private sector, government, coming together to make sure that we give life to young people, we give hope to young people. Every young person should be optimistic here now that these things that people used to see from TV and radios or hear about or read about them on newspapers now are here in their doorsteps. They can literally move from their homes into this library after school and do their work and continue with their academic programs.